The secret sauce: J. Hudson's techniques for selling expired listings.
In the competitive world of real estate, J. Hudson and his team have carved out a niche in selling expired listings, revitalizing properties that previously failed to attract buyers. An expired listing typically occurs when a property fails to sell within the duration of its listing contract with a real estate agent. J. Hudson's expertise in selling expired listings starts with a detailed analysis of why a property was not sold. His team scrutinizes how the property was previously marketed. Critical questions include whether professional photography was used, the effectiveness of the property description, and if advanced tools like drone footage or virtual tours were employed. This initial review helps in understanding why the property didn't sell and forms the foundation of their customized strategy. A crucial aspect of selling expired listings is conducting a thorough market analysis to set a realistic price. This analysis meticulously examines factors such as the selling price, home condition, location, and available amenities. Armed with this analysis and real-time data, J. Hudson's team emphasizes realistic pricing strategies, avoiding the common pitfall of overpricing. J. Hudson Homes places a strong emphasis on home staging, recognizing its crucial role in selling properties. An empty or poorly arranged property can significantly impede a buyer's ability to envision living in the space. Strategic staging in key areas of the home, like the living room and master bedroom, along with thoughtful accents in the kitchen and bathrooms, is highly recommended. This approach not only aids in visualizing the potential of the space, but can also result in achieving, or even exceeding, the listing price more swiftly. Keller Williams J. Hudson Homes ensures that when meeting with sellers to discuss listing their home, agents meticulously assess the property. They identify and advise on overcoming any visual obstacles, such as eyesores or awkwardly arranged spaces. While it's not always necessary to stage every room, focusing on key areas can significantly impact a buyer's impression. Landscaping and curb appeal are integral to the staging process. The exterior of the home often forms a potential buyer's first impression and can be the deciding factor in whether they choose to explore the property further. Success stories of selling expired listings. Ernest Stewart was an expired listing. Multiple agents had been involved previously, but the marketing efforts had been subpar. This custom-built house, valued at over $1 million, boasted a magnificent mountain view, but was let down by its layout and presentation. Keller Williams J. Hudson Homes recommended a series of improvements. Our team coordinated with painters and other professionals to provide quotes and arranged for a staging company to revamp the house. From repainting to restaging with more contemporary furniture. The result was remarkable. The house, a 5,500 square foot custom property situated on 58 acres, sold in less than 30 days. The staging was so effective that the buyers were compelled to purchase some of the furniture used in the staging. This home involved an expired listing where the previous agent's contract was not renewed, and Keller Williams J. Hudson Homes took over for the second listing. After a detailed analysis, it became clear that the pricing strategy needed a re-evaluation. Selling luxury homes demands a high level of presentation. Potential buyers expect to walk into a space that requires minimal changes unless it's to suit their specific taste. To address this, we coordinated with a team of about 5 or 6 vendors to enhance everything from the home's curb appeal to detailed interior work, including painting and flooring. This comprehensive preparation took about a month, but the results were immediate and impressive. Shortly after listing, the clients received 2 offers, leading to a competitive bidding situation. J. Hudson Homes has set a benchmark in selling expired listings, demonstrating their unique approach and success in the real estate market.